Good afternoon to you all. This presentation covers the technique on how to answer questions in histories. And today we are looking at the H questions for History Grade 8, which is part of the revised curriculum of Namibia. And of course, the presenter is Salom Deshimona. So going on, here is the question. It says, here are reasons for the partition of Africa. It's an H question. And then it gives you 3 choices: to look for markets, to obtain raw materials, and to spread their beliefs. Those are the choices that you are given, or the reason for the partitioning of Africa. Then the question comes in red: which one of these was the most important reason? That's the question. And then the instruction continue by saying, choose one and give 3 reasons to support your choice. It continues by saying, also explain why the other 2 were less important. So of course we are talking about the choices, which is to look for markets, to obtain raw materials, and to spread their beliefs. So those are the choices that you are having. And now what you are expected to do as a learner is to make a choice. You choose one of the 2, either the 3 of them, and then you give your 3 reasons why you are supporting that reason or that choice. And then once you are done, you go to the remaining 2 and again explain to the marker as to why you did not choose them. In other words, you are comparing and contrasting the 3 choices that you are given to see which one is more important. As the question says, choose one and give 3 reasons to support your choice as to which one is the most important reasons. Following is the possible answer. It begins with the choice. A learner have to give a choice, like I have chosen in this case to obtain raw materials. Then I gave 3 reasons: reason 1, reason 2, and reason 3. Reason 1 reads, because Europeans depleted their raw materials after the first industrial revolution. This was because they used machines to process, thereby they used up almost all their resources, and now they need to obtain new raw materials. Reason 2, their population increased and the demand for raw material also increased with populations. That's the second reason. And then now they need to obtain raw materials in Africa. Reason 3, not 2, but 3, they saw that many resources in Africa were underutilized as Africa had a low population and a lot of resources. Those are the 3 reasons that I've given for the choice, which is to obtain raw materials. Now, in the next slide, I explain why the other 2 were less important. I said, number 1, to obtain a market is the first one that I chose to say. This was also important, but not as my choice, because they needed a market, but they had a few raw materials to produce finished goods to come and sell in Africa. Thus, obtained raw material was more important. Then I also gave a reason to the second reason, which I did not choose, to say to spread their beliefs. This was also important, but not as the choice, as they use religion as a way to confuse Africans to give up their resources in the name of religions. So in other words, I compared the choices that I have presented to you in the first slide as under the questions, and then I looked to see which of the reasons that were given there is more important. Then I also explained why the other one were not as important as the first choice that I have chosen. So what happens is that many learners make some mistakes whereby they make a choice, they gave 1 or 2 reasons, however, they hardly go and explain why the other reasons which they have not chosen are as important or as not important as their choice. So this is the way to go. We'll present more of these skills in our next videos. Like and share our videos and learn a lot. Thank you.